welcome back. For today's story, we will be reading It's Raining, It's Pouring, as told by Ken Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. Let's see what this story is going to be about. Do you guys have any guesses? I see a lot of rain. We'll have to see. Let's begin. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. And look at, he put a lot of household objects to catch the rain. He must have a leaky roof. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Oh no, there he goes down the river. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Achoo! Look at, he's using his handkerchief. He blew so hard that he moved the stars. But of course, that wasn't easy. Look at the cow, he's going flying. He sneezed so hard that everything moved. Wow, he's strong. It's snowy, it's blowy. The old man is growing. Oh, he's eating a lot of food. Look at, he ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. His belly showing. Look at, his shirt doesn't fit anymore because he ate so much. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. He sees some honey. He's thinking about it. Could I go get it? Look at, he's taking his ladder with him. I think he's going to try. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. They said, no, not here. You're not going to get our honey. Look at, they're going to chase him. He's saying, help me. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. Ooh, these words rhyme. Chilly, Willie. They sound the same. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look so silly? Oh no, there he goes. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Ooh, some more rhyming words. Windy, Cindy. They sound the same. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. They're dancing. That's called the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man's thinking it's pleasing. Oh, he's back in bed. He's happy now. The end. Oh, I like that story. Thank you guys for coming.